Okay, today we're going to be looking at an interesting song, one of my favorites, and one of the first songs I learned as a kid. It's called Angelina Baker. And the reason I like playing Angelina Baker is one, it has a very distinct melody you can memorize pretty easily. And secondly, it's a song that can incorporate drones. And drones are a big part of old-time fiddle music. A drone is, kind of a note played alongside a melody. So here's just a melody, right? And there's nothing in the background really. But when you play an open G string with those melody notes on the D string, right? It kind of, I think, sort of emulates the bagpipes, and that would kind of make sense if you think about old-time music coming across the ocean from Ireland and Scotland. And we're going to be looking at this song today because it incorporates those drones very nicely. We're looking at it in two keys. So the first key we'll look at it in is the key of D major, right? So let's break this down. I'm going to play just the melody notes for you. We're going to start on the open A string. We played an A, B, and a D. That part's pretty simple. All you're playing is A, B, D, A, B, D. Or A, 1, 3, A, 1, 3, A, 1, 3, A, 1, 1. That's the first part of the song. Pretty straightforward, right? Now the next part, it gets a little bit more complicated with the melody, but it's not too crazy. Next part goes. Let's break that down. It goes A, B, D, E, F, E, D. Or you can think about it in terms of A, 1, 3, E, 1, E, 3 on the A. So all that together would be. Like a little slide there. Okay? And the last part of the first half of the song is this. So E, F, E, D, B, A, something to that effect. So the whole thing together would sound. Okay, that would be the first part of the song Angelina Baker in the key of D major. Okay, now we could also play those exact same notes on the D string, which would put us in the key of G major. Same fingerings exactly, just moving it back a string. And with both of these tunes, or both of these variations of the tune in different key, we have that option to play a drone in the back of the melody, right? With the song in the key of D major, we can play a drone on the D string. With a song in the key of G major, we can play a drone on the G string. So here would be like Angelina Baker with a drone on the D in the key of D. You'll notice that when I transition to the melody on the E string, I played that open A string as a drone. Like that. So let's listen to this on the key of G major then. Same fingerings, just a string lower. Like that. And so in that way, you can play Angelina Baker in two different keys, the key of D major and the key of G major, both incorporating those nice drones with our G and D strings, which is something distinctive of the old-time violin. I'll check back with you guys in the next video. We'll look at the B part of the song.